Hello guys, hope you all are doing well. So today we are going to start new tutorial series on Laravel and Vue JS. So if anyone who don't know about Laravel and Vue JS, then don't worry about it. We'll learn from the basics. So are you guys ready? Let's start the today's tutorial. So in this tutorial we are going to learn about introduction about Laravel and Vue JS. So in this tutorial we'll see what is Laravel, then what are the different features of the Laravel, then after that what is Vue JS, then there are different features of the Vue JS as well, so we'll see that, and at the last we'll see why we use Laravel and Vue JS. So let's start from the Laravel. So what is Laravel? So Laravel means it is basically open source PHP framework. It is also known as the web application framework. Laravel is based on the MVC. So if anyone who don't know about MVC, then I will suggest you, I have already uploaded the tutorial on MVC, so I will add the tutorial link in the description box. So you can watch the tutorial and understand the working of MVC, so you will clear the working of Laravel as well. So there are different features of the Laravel. So there are 4 different or important features. So first is the modularity. So modularity means Laravel provides us the different libraries and modules. So around 20 built-in libraries and modules are provided by the Laravel, so which are help us to enhance our application. So modularity is one different or important feature. Second is the testability. So as the name suggests, it is used for the testing, or Laravel includes the different features and helpers as well, so which helps in testing through the various test cases. Third one is the routing. This is one important feature because we are creating different routes in our application with the help of routing feature, or we can also define the custom routes in our application. So this is one important feature, routing. Fourth one is the Schema Builder. So Schema Builder is related to the database, so we can maintain the database definition and schema in a PHP code. So this is one important features of the Laravel. So Laravel is mostly used for the beta performance, and with the help of a single command, that is command is artisan command. So with the help of that command we can access the different functionalities and features of the Laravel. Okay, so for that reason we are using the Laravel. So this is all about the Laravel. So we'll see the next, what is Vue JS. So Vue JS is also framework, but it is a JavaScript framework. It is also known as the progressive framework because it is mostly used for developing the interactive web interfaces. Okay, and it is mostly made for the single page application. So I think all of you are thinking about what is single page application, right? So single page application means application which fits in on a single page, and it rewrites the content without refreshing the page. Also we can say when we switch from one page to another page, then it cannot be reload or refresh, because when we will see on a different website, when we switch from one page to another page, it reload the page or refresh the page, but in a single page application it can't be possible. Okay, so because of this reason it improves the performance of the application as well, also speed up the time speed up. Okay, these are the main factors of the Vue JS. So there are different features of the Vue JS as well. So first is the virtual DOM. So this is one important feature. So what is a virtual DOM? Virtual DOM means I think all of you know about DOM, right? Document Object Model. Because when we create one web page or HTML page, then it creates a DOM, that is document object model, that is it creates a tree like structure of the web page. Okay, but in a Vue.js it creates the replica of the DOM, means it creates the copy of the DOM of that web page. Okay, so Vue.js will create the replica of that DOM, and when we perform the modifications in our application, then that modifications or changes are reflects in a replica first. Then after that it will compare with the original DOM, and after the comparison only the changes are made by the user. Okay, that changes will be reflected on the application. Okay, these are the process of the virtual DOM. Second is the data binding. So data binding is done through the various binding directives. So directives is another concept, so we'll see that concept in the next tutorial. So data binding is done through the different binding directives. Also we can say binding will be done through, we can perform the data binding for changing the styles, for assigning the different classes using the binding directives. So this is the data binding. Third one is the components. Components, we can say it is a piece of a code we can reuse it in our application multiple times. Also we can say when we create one custom element, we can use that element in our application multiple times. So reusability is one features of the Vue.js. Fourth one is the event handling. In a JavaScript there are different event handlers or events there. So as same as like JavaScript, in a Vue.js there are event handling, and which is done through the different directives, or there is a view on directive is used to perform the event handling. So these are the important feature. At the last, why we use Laravel and Vue.js. So for the benefit of the Laravel is it provides the different features and functionalities. Also with the help of a single command we can access the different features and functionalities of the Laravel in our application. Also same as Vue.js. Okay, see, Vue.js is also used to improve the performance of our application. Also the virtual DOM is one concept, so it improve the loading time as well. So Vue.js is help us to improve the performance, also loading time, also user friendly and interactive for developing the interactive web pages. So these are the different benefits. So because of this reason we'll use the Laravel and Vue.js. So this is all over about the Laravel and Vue.js. So in the next tutorial we'll see the setup of the Laravel and Vuejs. So we'll set up the Laravel or integrate the Vuejs in the Laravel. So if you like this video, then just click on a like button, and also click if anyone who still haven't subscribed my YouTube channel, then just click on a subscribe button, also click on a bell icon, so you will get all the notifications about my channel. So we'll see you in the next tutorial. Goodbye, take care, happy coding.